In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall Python from your Windows. So for it, first of all, let me just go to our Windows search option and I am going to search over here CMD, then press enter. And if we say here Python dash dash version, it will show us the Python version. So we are going to uninstall the Python from our Windows. So for it, again, we'll go to our Windows search option and here we're going to search for setting. Here you can see setting, click on it. Then you need to go to the apps option, click on apps, and here you can see install apps. Click on it, install apps, and here you need to search for Python. If you search for Python, you will see two options. One is Python 3.13.0 and another one is Python launcher. So we need to uninstall this one. So I'm going to click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall again. And there you can see it started uninstalling. So this should take a few seconds to uninstall. And there you go, uninstall was successful. After that, we can just close this. Then we need to uninstall this Python launcher. Click on this three dot option again. Then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. If it asks for a permission, give it a permission, yes. And there you can see. So right now Python is completely removed from our Windows. So if we just go to our Windows search option and open our command prompt here, and if we search for Python dash dash version, if we just write this Python dash dash version, then press enter, there you can see it will say Python was not found. It means Python is completely removed from our Windows. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.